Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word rickshaw. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The streets of Mumbai are filled with colorful rickshaws, driven by skilled drivers navigating through the bustling city traffic. A rickshaw is a light, two-wheeled cart pulled or pedaled by a person as a mode of transportation, commonly used in crowded urban areas in Asia. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.